Biting ants and fire ants keep coming back because the site conditions and colony dynamics favor rapid recolonization even after visible nests are removed. Fire ants thrive in loose sandy soil that drains quickly and warms fast, so start by assessing your soil texture by feeling it. Sandy soil will feel gritty and falls apart, while loam holds together slightly and feels more crumbly. Treat active mounds with insecticide granules applied on dry ground, following label rates and reapplying after heavy rain to maintain effectiveness. Apply granules in a ring around the mound and rake lightly into the top quarter-inch of soil to improve contact without over-applying. For long-term control, amend replacement zones with compost-rich loam brought in at least 6 inches deep to change drainage and organic content, which makes the site less attractive for new nests and supports beneficial competitors. Install weed barrier mats under mulch in high-traffic or perennial beds to reduce bare warm spots and keep soil cooler and moister, which discourages fire ant preference for nesting. Encourage natural predators by avoiding broad-spectrum insecticides that kill ground beetles and other ant predators, and create alternate habitat like rock piles or logs away from the house to concentrate wildlife benefits. Monitor regularly in the warm season and treat small reappearing mounds immediately before they grow. Early action prevents colony budding and scattering, which causes recurrence. Homeowners commonly misdiagnose the problem as a single queen mound instead of a landscape-wide suitability issue. So instead of only digging up visible hills, change soil and habitat and follow up with targeted treatments. Another frequent mistake is overusing sprays that drive colonies to split and move. Use properly applied granules or bait products and treat on calm days to avoid dispersion. People also expect permanent eradication overnight, which is unrealistic because soil and neighboring properties can reintroduce ants. Plan for phased habitat modification and periodic monitoring. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors who work on soil replacement, landscaping, and pest management, and to help contractors find new projects that match their skills. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and trade practical tips that help break the cycle of recurring ant infestations.